The state of Odisha observed Martyrs' Day on Friday, marking the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. On this occasion, Chief Minister Mohan Charan Machi paid heartfelt tributes to Mahatma Gandhi, remembering his ideals of truth, non-violence and selfless sacrifice for the nation. The state-level observation of Martyrs' Day and Gandhi's death anniversary was held with dignity and reverence. The Chief Minister offered floral tributes to Mahatma Gandhi and expressed deep respect for his timeless values, which continue to guide the nation even today. He highlighted the importance of following Gandhiji's principles in building a peaceful, just and inclusive society. A special program was organized by the Odisha Legislative Assembly to commemorate the occasion. Chief Minister Mohan Charan Machi attended the ceremony along with Governor Dr. Haribabu Kambhampati, Speaker of the Assembly Surama Padhe, and Deputy Speaker Bhavani Shankar Bhoi. The dignitaries collectively paid floral tributes at the statue of Mahatma Gandhi, reflecting unity and reverence for the father of the nation.
আজি देशव्यापी जातिर जनक महात्मा गांधींकर तिरोधान दिवस को शहीद दिवस भाव पालन करा जाउछि। एही अवसर रे जातिर जनकंकर प्रति मो गभीर सम्मान एवं श्रद्धांजलि ज्ञापन करुछि। महात्मा गांधी थिले सत्य, न्याय एवं अहिंसार प्रतीक। तांको जीवन दर्शन सबु बेले आमर पथ प्रदर्शक और प्रेरणार उत्स होकर रही आसी।